This project fought me every step of the way, and all I wanted was to turn this drop cloth into a cloak. This was a very super simple build, I thought, but apparently when you don't have the space or the room to draw lines or cut straight lines or curved lines, it becomes very difficult, and in order to do anything, you need the space. Okay, let me explain. I wanted a longer styled cloak, but I thought 60 inches was going to be big enough. I was wrong. So I was making it bigger, and I realized that I was going to have that mark just showing on one side. That's why I was pissed. Now, go easy on me. This is my second time using a sewing machine, and I have almost no idea what I'm doing or what needs to be done. But I'm watching videos, learning, and seeing what each stitch is for. However, this is just a simple project, and I'm just using a simple straight stitch with some simple tension, whatever, just to put it together. And it's held up nicely so far. But it did turn out okay. I can forgo it. This is, however, not a perfect cloak. This is meant for a survival wasteland feel cloak. Now, let's see how this turned out.